I'm like, dude, if you're gonna coach, at least be like coach. Be a man. Yeah. Throw it by, throw it by.
Chuck it, get your two. Get up off your knees. Balance, pressure.
Let's see some.
That was terrible.
Hey, you could have tossed it, guys. No.
Come on, you got it there. Pull down on that arm.
Use your head. Use your
Pull
head.
it down so it can open up.
Snap it. Snap it down. Oh, your sister? Is that her left?
Hey, Trey. Rotate. Rotate. Rotate.
He has that snap all day.
Let's go. How about a pass by?
Let's see something. Make something happen. Come on.
No bad shots. Now be smart.
Whenever he does that, that ankle's open.
Go through him. Put your knee on the ground. Go through him.
Throw it up high. No, don't give up your legs.
Grab his ankle! Hey, grab his ankle.
Go underneath the arm there. Take your right arm. Go underneath it. There you go.
Hey!
Cross face.
Get your leg back. Get your leg back. Short time. Short time. Hold it. Hold it. Short time.
Snap over. I'm all off kilter here.
Hey. Get your head up. Head up. Switch.
Switch. Elbows. Fix your elbows. Use your hand. There you go. Good thought. Good thought. Pressure in with the hip.
Hip down. Hip down.
Wing it down.
Sit.
They suck. Get your head up.
Let's go. Hand fight. Get your head up. Elbows in. Now come up. Come up. Come up. Keep coming. Keep coming. He didn't clear the arm. You got to clear that arm. Go ahead. Limp arm it. Pull it through.
No, why would you roll over like that? That's a bad moment. We never.
Flip your hips and try to punch. There you go.
Trey, stand up.
Pressure back in.
Stand up. Come on, Trey.
It's tight. I don't know if he can get his arm out of there. Try to sit.
Hey, Coach, what weight class are you? 32, right?
This?
Let's go. Short time. Try to get one.
Short time.
He has no points.
Yes, sir.
Get up. Don't do that.
Head up.
That's stupid.
You got it. Keep that leg. Oh, God.
Gave him the wings.
Got to keep our elbows in.
Hey, y'all keep your elbows in. Yeah, dude.
Hey. Keep it. Grab it. Fight. You got to sit. You got to get up to a base. At least come up to your base. Base up. Pressure down.
I still look young.
Keep coming.
Get your leg
why
out.
does he reach back? He just keeps giving him his arm. Elbow down, elbow down.
What period is it?
Third. Not much.
Hey, you gotta get a pin. Let's go.
Keep that arm.
Keep the arm. Lace it.
20 seconds. Get a pin.
There it is.
Get your hips right. Don't get pinned. Do not get pinned. Hold it. Do not.